Hello everyone, welcome back to Neotech Logic. I am Veerasai, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can create amazing AI animated videos using ChatGPT and AI video generation tools. The best part, you don't need any videos editing experience, animation skills or experience software. Let's get started. What is AI video generation? AI video generation is a technique that creates videos from simple text descriptions called prompts. Today we are using
75 years later.
Google Flow. Today we are going to use new AI tool to generate videos. Imagine you have a great idea for a movie scene, an advertisement of or an animated story, but you don't have a camera, actors or video editing skills. With Google Flow, you simply describe your idea in words and AI generates a video based on your description. Now we will go to Google Flow and use it. I have generated these videos by giving prompts to Google Flow. It will generate a best videos.
Fresh from our farm to your family.
And I have generated this small boy video, Superman. And a doctor video. Do you want to generate this type of videos? First we will go to ChatGPT and we will describe what we want. It will give the prompt, or you want any characters you can choose from Google also. For example, we will select a small cute girl. Character. Small cute girl. Cartoon. Cartoon characters or cartoon. We should select any girl character. I will select this girl and I will copy image. and paste it in our Google Flow. The image is generating here, and now we should give the prompt for this image. So we will go to ChatGPT and we will paste the image here. Then we will give a prompt to the ChatGPT about our video. Give me a prompt to generate a animated video. Now it will give the prompt, and we should take the prompt and paste it in on Google Flow. It will generate a video. And paste it here. We should select the what are the prompts we need. Then it will generate a video based on your needs. This is AI agent instructions. If you want any instruction, you can give. Then it will generate a video. If you want images, it will, after you generating, it will give images. If you want videos, AI animated videos, it will give the videos. After we are giving our prompt, we should approve. Would you like me to kick off for this video one video to cost 15 credits? It will give limited credits per day. Now it will generate a AI animated video based on your needs. It is generating. I have generated this all videos by using Google Flow. We can easily make videos based on our needs by using Google Flow and ChatGPT. By taking prompt from the ChatGPT and generate videos from the Google Flow. It will give the best videos, AI animated videos based on our needs. If you want to add anything, you should add to the prompt. It will also add the scenes to the video. For example, it will give like 6. If you want to add, you can add. Our video was generated. Let's see.
I hope you have a magical day.
Thank you.